Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe us, and to stay connected, please hit onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is egg malai gravy or egg malai masala. Very big blockbuster recipe with delicious ingredient and highly nutritious. Can be made in minutes too. So let us have a look onto the main ingredient. Egg malai gravy needs very minimum and very basic ingredients. So let's start cooking. All you need is 4 to 5 green chilies and 2 large onion which has been roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon of cumin, that is zira, and 2 tablespoon of garam masala powder, along with that 2 tablespoon of black peppercorn powder, 350 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of cooking oil. You could also replace it with butter instead. Also here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, which is optional, 1 cup of roughly chopped coriander leaves, and 5 boiled eggs. White or brown, your choice. Cut them into half and deshell them. Remove the shells and slice them into half. Please cover the eggs and keep it safe. In a blender or a jar, just add the green chilies and along with that the roughly chopped onion. Blend them into a puree form or a paste form without adding any water to it. Please keep the puree, the smooth paste, aside. Keep it handy. Now in the hot pan, just add 1/4 cup of oil or butter, same ratio. To this I am adding the chili and the onion paste. Saute well for good 2 minutes. The process is to remove the strong pungent taste of the onion. So to this I am adding salt, around 1 tablespoon, or salt as per your taste. Give them a good mix for next 1 minute. This process needs your patience. It will take time, around 1 to 2 more minutes, unless the water completely evaporates and the onion starts leaving the pan. You can also see a visible change in the color. So that indicates the onion have been cooked properly. To this, now you can add ginger paste, which is completely optional. But if you have freshly grounded ginger, then do add around 1 tablespoon. To this, now I'm adding the zira, that is the cumin, the pepper, grounded pepper powder, and the garam masala powder. Equal quantities, and mix them and remove the raw taste of all the masalas. Give them a quick mix. Keep mixing them well. At this stage you can add some coriander leaves generously. Here I've taken around 1/2 cup of coriander leaves, which had been added from around 1 cup of coriander leaves. Give them a quick mix. And now switch off the flame. Let it cool down for good 2 minutes. Post that you can add 350 ml of milk. See that you do not add the milk while it's still hot. Mix them for good 1 minute. Let it combine thoroughly. Give it a quick mix. Please note the milk which has been added was in the room temperature milk, fresh milk. Please switch on the flame back again. Mix them well and just close the lid and cook it for good 5 minutes. Post 5 minutes, your egg curry, the egg malai masala curry, is ready. Now you can place the eggs directly into the curry, upside down or sunny side up. Your choice. Post you add in the eggs into the malai curry, see that you need to cook it for more 2 minutes. so that the flavors come out and balance out together with the eggs. So just cook it for more 2 minutes. Please close the lid back again and let it cook so that the rich gravy seeps into the eggs and balance out the flavors. So at the last but not the least, add the remaining coriander leaves, sprinkle them generously and switch off the flame. Serve them hot and enjoy! The delicious egg malai gravy or the egg malai masala is all set and ready. Hope you all enjoy watching this video today. If you love and like this video, please give us a thumbs up and do leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian journey.